All right, everybody, Michael Alder here from CarpetTools.com, and we have an indoor-outdoor carpet with a burn spot in it. So I'm going to show you do-yourselfers how to fix this in your home if this happens to you. So you want to get a knife, have a fresh, sharp blade on it, and we are just going to cut this damaged section out. Just square it off. Alrighty, so we're down to the pad here. Now I'm going to take a scrap piece of the same carpet. So we have this here. I'm going to take the damaged piece, set it right on top, and we're just going to trace this right out. And when you're done, you might find that you have to clean it up a little bit more, but overall, if you trace it tight, you should be good. Alrighty. So now we have our new piece. I'll line this up here. Boom. Looks like everything's going to be okay. So we're going to pop that out now. I'm going to use a seam sealer. If you're the average DIY type, you may not have access to carpet seam sealer. You could actually use Elmer's glue, or if you go to Home Depot or Lowe's, they have a latex sealer that's just as effective. This is like super heavy duty, nice stuff though, so that's why we're using this, and obviously we have access to that since I'm in the business. I'm gonna throw a little X on the middle there, but basically you just want to seal the edges all the way around to keep any fuzzies from running, getting snags and things like that. Now we're going to take the fill piece, drop it in there, take our knife, we're going to tuck in anything that might be a loose fiber because we want that to seal in there. Remove any strings. Boom, that's it. Patched and done. Give it about 24 hours before you vacuum on it, and you're good to go. It's as simple as that. So be sure to subscribe for more videos like this, and drop by CarpetTools.com, as we always have slick promos going on over there. Have an awesome day.